Hello everyone, this is Professor Sneha Nagaukar, Admission Coordinator SJP Trust BCA College, Nirsosi. On behalf of management and principal and BCA team, I take this opportunity to introduce all to our BCA college. This college is located at Nirsosi in Hukkeri Taluka. SJP Trust was established by late Shri Nijlingeshwar Mahaswamiji Siddha Sansthan Mat Nirsosi. The Shri Jagadguru Panchima Nijlingeshwar Trust, that is SJPN, was founded in the year 1984 and currently Shri Shivlingeshwar Mahaswamiji is the president of this trust. These all are the board members of SJPN Trust. So this trust is successfully running premier technical institutions like Polytechnic College from last 32 years, Engineering College, PU College, CBSE School, and the BCA College has aimed to produce quality computer professionals since 13 years. At SJP Trust BCA College, we look forward to the students who aspire for a truly professional education. In these days, there are numerous institutions coming out providing the education, but we focus on providing the quality education. A dedicated team of technical faculty is rigorously engaged in training the students with diligence. The college offers a fine blend of academic and extracurricular activities to foster the spirit of competition among the students' fraternity and to bring about holistic development of their personality. I assure you that ours is one of the best in this field, which is set in the peace abiding pollution free zone, and the campus provides you a warm, conducive atmosphere for education and nurturing environment in which each student can reach their full potential. You are always welcome to visit us to witness the joy of learning with us. So, these are the course details of BCA, where you can see that BCA is totally of 3 years, and every year there will be 2 semesters. In each semesters you will be having some theory subjects and the related labs, and every year the syllabus is updated. So this is affiliated to RCO University, it is Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. You can see that the syllabus is very latest, and most probably 80% of the syllabus is of MCA and BE. So minimum passing percentage of your PU required for taking admission to BCA is 35%. Science and commerce students are eligible to take the admissions for BCA, and diploma students can also take the admissions. In our college, attendance and punctuality are provided the higher precedence in order to keep the performance of student upgrading. Discipline is always maintained in our college to highlight and to improve the performance of our students. So this is all about the infrastructure of our college. You can see that we have got 3 labs: application lab, internet lab, and project lab. So in application lab, lot of experiments related to BCA, that is programmings, are carried out. In internet lab, the student can use the computers and internet to access the information about the latest technologies, and projects of BCA are carried out in the project labs. We have a library providing more than books of 2000 related to all the subjects. We have digital classrooms, we have seminar halls. Students are provided with a special care. They can interact with the teachers anytime and solve their doubts. Lots of seminars and workshops and interactions with IT corporates are also carried out to improve and upgrade the knowledge of students. Importance is also given on the communication skills and brushing the soft skills of all the students. These are the facilities which are provided to all the students. We have hostel facilities, we have transport facilities, and all the facilities ahead. So every week we conduct activities for the students where We arrange certain competitions for students like quiz, PowerPoint presentations, seminars on latest programming. We arrange the IT corporate interactions. We arrange other competitions like singing, dancing, yoga training, meditation, blood donation camp, and so many where student can have fun going learning. Along with that, as a part of an entertainment, students are also encouraged to take part in lot of other activities, and our students have also won so many prizes at national level and state level and so many other competitions. We have so many toppers so who stood as university rankers at RCU, and all our academic students are always at the higher percentages. So these are the students which are placed in different multinational companies. You can see that all of the students are certainly placed in multinational companies like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, and so many other companies. So once when the students are placed in higher companies, they get a chance to complete their higher education under these companies. So you can see that these are the various students which are placed in so many other companies. So we provide training for all the students from the first year so that they become capable of acquiring and attaining the recruitment process. We provide them training and all the information of how to attend the interview. Along with that, we have NSS committee and Red Cross committee where student can go for the camps and plantation activities, and so many other activities are carried out, which is a social activity. So hope you would like to join us and become one of the member of SJPM BCA. So we look forward for your interaction with us. This is the number of principal, that is Shri Basavaraj Halbavi sir. Please feel free to contact us. Wish you all the best.